Hey, Trace, I hope everyone had a great end to yesterday and that your week went really fantastic and you're having a productive weekend. Um, look, what this video is going to be is wrapping up how the session ended for the week. And I was discussing getting up for the close of market. I just needed some sleep. It's been a crazy week. It's been me going to bed at 3 a.m., waking up at like 7, 8 o'clock, doing stuff, then going to work at night. And then last week I had morning shifts, so that was starting at 4 a.m. and then getting up at 2:30, going to bed at like 11, so to try and catch market open. But it was a bit too rushed, so I was just watching market open. Nothing really happened, so I didn't do any trades. It's been a crazy 2 weeks. So caught up to some sleep today, and it's like 12:40, but I'm feeling good. I'm going to go to bed soon again, have a nice relaxing day tomorrow, and be ready because I've got the 5 days off this week. So I'll be doing, in the middle of the day in Perth, I'll be doing wrap up to how last night finished. For me, it's obviously in the evening, and putting a watch list together. Then I'll be doing an updated watch list at around 9:30 or so, 9 o'clock, with an hour and a half to go to market open, and then I'll be doing live trading. And in the live trading, there may be trades or maybe not. I have no expectations, but I will start running a video if I see something potentially happening, and that will include an analysis video if there was a trade. Okay. Also, if you guys haven't already, check out Tim Sykes' latest video. It's he puts out a 20-minute video for free on YouTube as well for the guys who aren't subscribed to Profitly. Really check it out, and he goes through the latest big plays that are going on, and what sectors are really moving, and it's extremely informative. And he dissects trades that he's taken this week, and how he's made the money that he's made. It's extremely informative. So and really inspiring how he sort of goes through and explains how to approach things from a smaller account point of view, and he shows his students' performance and everything. And it was really great to watch. I watched it when I woke up this morning. It was a great way to start the day. So thank you, Tim, for your energy, and you're putting out a lot of videos recently as well that are a bit longer and really detailed. So it's been really good to see that. So anyway, let's see if okay, so the top percentage gainers aren't there. All right, so RMGN, this would have been for my previous watch list. So RMGN flatlined a little bit. I'm going to close that down. And this IGH, a little disappointing from IGH. They really sort of, I think there was blockchain news out on this one. Oh no, they were discussing the ICO. So this is why it's good to buy into the hype, and then when the news actually comes out, where there's no actual physical changes made to the company, then if you have to bail, you bail. So, and okay, so we've got a PR out here by Network Newswire. Interesting. I'm going to close this down. It's just not enough volume, really. CNET. Everything was sort of down, so I didn't really miss a lot, which is good. Because I was gonna fall asleep. I've got a pillow here and a doona on the office floor. It's, I just get up and the computer's on still, but I was like, you know what? That's not. I think I had a comment on the last video, and someone said I'm going to make myself ill, and that's extremely valid. Honestly, I wasn't feeling particularly great today, so I did very little, relaxed. I did a bit of studying. I watched some video lessons. I went through some of the recent movers and just established some support and resistance levels. And yeah, okay, my size is pretty good. That's really nice volume as well, considering the average is 3.1 million shares traded. So what I'll say about this is just right away you can see there's a little bit of support in the $2 region, and resistance at, where was the high point at? 250. So what I'd like to see, really, I mean, you could come back down there. There's a lot of support down here. at 175. So really, if it comes back down to 175, that's a potential dip buy or a break of 250 for a higher day test. So that's what I would say about MYSZ. Did they have one use that follow MYSZ for episode technology stock climbs? Okay, so it's just press. There's nothing really significant. Press later in the day as well. Didn't really do much. So I would have been up for the last half an hour. It wasn't really anything worth trading. Okay, I'm feeling a bit better about that. Alright, so we'll keep MYSZ up. Again, guys, potential trade. You know, when I say $1.75, I wait for it to approach that level. It could be $1.80, it could be $1.70. What you want to see is the market react to that, and then, you know, take the trade if it's a valid setup. With the dip buys, what I'm realizing as well, you got to be quick with your decision. You hang around and watch. The good entry is missed, and then you're chasing, and that's damaging to your psychology. So really avoid doing that. That's something I've got to, you know, take into consideration and execute. So watching a lot of dip buy video lessons and just looking at the charts, looking at the price action, looking at things explained. Ideally, I sort of would like to look into some backtesting technology. The problem is there's so many stocks. It's just, you want to find the ones that are prone to dip buys as well. So, but I might go through that. That's probably going to be off video because it's going to be painstakingly nauseous with, you know, going through, you know, MGTI and Bitcoin stocks and then weed stocks and just seeing, you know, like the IEGH was a great example that Tim executed. That was a really good hot sector, good volume. The dip wasn't significant. It was just people selling, you know, bag holders or, you know, people taking profits quickly, and then it just shot off. And he really executed well with the entry, and it was like a 68% winner. It was nice because I was watching that. I saw the alert, and I sort of had it up there because IEGH, they were talking about, you know, an ICO, it was blockchain, it was everything. It was earlier in the week. It was just everything was hot, and it was really good to watch that. I don't know if he took the dip buy on the small account. It might have been the bigger one because I recall he bought quite a few shares of it, so I don't think it was on the 12,000 account. DTST. Okay. Earnings play here. Interesting. I don't like to see this though, honestly. So this could be a dip buy potentially. So I'm going to keep it DTST, SGRP, MYSZ. I'm going to conclude the video, guys. The main play is MYSZ, dip buy in the $1.70 region. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye for now. Happy trading.